When you are a creator, whether you make content, run an online business, or manage projects, staying productive is the key to success. There are so many tasks every day: planning ideas, creating content, managing clients, or even just keeping your schedule organized. Without the right tools, things can get messy every time and it's get very quickly. That's why using productivity tools can save you time, reduce stress, and help you to focus on the most important work. Today, I am going to share the 5 best productivity tools for creators and that can help you to make you more productive. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover the best tools to save time and grow faster. If you want to explore any of these tools or get special offers, check the link from description. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also don't forget to use the description links because any available discount that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Starting at number 5, we have Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can take note, you can manage projects, create database and plan your tasks. For creators, it is very perfect for engaging ideas, planning content calendars, and keeping the track of client projects. You can make template for recurring work, collaborate with teams, and even integrate other apps. Notion helps you to reduce the chaos by keeping all your information in one place. At number 4, we have the Trello. Trello is a simple project management tool based on the boards, lists, and cards. Each project or task can be organized visually, which makes it easier to see the progress at a glance. You can move the tasks between stages, assign the deadlines, and even attach file. For creators who juggle multiple projects at once, Trello keeps everything organized without overwhelming you. Coming in at number 3 is ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform that combines task management, time tracking, goals, and collaboration in one app. It works for both solo creators and small teams. You can track your daily tasks, you can set priorities, and make sure nothing slips through the crack. ClickUp is especially useful if you want one tool that handles everything instead of using multiple apps. At number 2, we have Canva. While many people think Canva is just a design tool, it is also a huge productivity booster for creators. You can quickly make graphics, social media posts, presentations, and even video thumbnails. Template save a lot of time and you can brand everything easily. Instead of spending hours on design, Canva helps you to produce the professional visual fast, which is crucial for the creators who need content daily. Okay, so finally at number 1 we have Zapier. Zapier is workflow automation that connects all your apps and automates repetitive tasks. For example, you can automatically save email attachments to your Google Drive, post content to multiple social media platforms, or send notifications when a task is completed. This one tool alone can save hours of time in each week because it takes care of things you would normally do manually. So, using these 5 tools together can transform how you work as a creator. Notion helps you to plan and store ideas. Trello or ClickUp manage your tasks. Canva speeds up your content creation, and Zapier automates your repetitive work. By using them wisely, you can focus more on creating and less on organizing or repeating tasks. So remember, the key to productivity is not just having tools, but using them consistently and effectively. Start small, pick the one that match your workflow, and gradually build a system that works for you. I hope these 5 productivity tools help you to stay organized, save time, and grow as a creator. If this video is helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more videos like this. Check the description for all the tools and links to any available offer. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.